Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Unibaham account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Unibaham account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Unibaham login. After searching for Unibaham login, you will come up to this page where you can find this first option which says login under University of Birmingham. And after tapping on that option, you'll come up to this page, and inside that page, to log into your account, what you can do is just tap on this option which says staff and student login. So just tap on this option. So after tapping on that option, now it will take you to a page where you have to enter your email address or your phone number or your Skype to log into your Unibaham account. So just enter your email address or any other detail that you have. After entering that, just tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have to enter your password. After entering your password, tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully log into your Unibaham account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password. And after tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password, just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering that new password that you have created, tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Unibaham University. Account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.